Welcome back to Crafting with Hues Designs. Welcome for all the new people and for all my subscribers. Today I want to show you how you can change colors on your PNG files, PNG images in Silhouette Studio. For instance, I have a backpack here, but I want this backpack in different colors, okay? I want it in different colors. So I'm going to try to change the colors here in Silhouette Studio. And I'm going to show you also how to save them in different colors as PNG files. Okay. Okay. So here we have this backpack. I'm going to make a copy, duplicate it, and I'll put one here. I remove the background in Canva because it was faster to do. Okay. I'm going to select my backpack, keep it selected. I'll go here to here, image effects. I'll go here, and then you have all these here, and here you have the hue, hue, hue. We're going to use the hue to change the colors, okay? And stay tuned. Let me tell you one more thing. You know, your page here, they call it media. I have it on 8.5 by 11. And here is the save place. Everything I will save, everything I will have on here, and click save. Everything here will be saved. This won't be saved. Only this will be saved, okay? Okay, I'm in my hue. Now, I have my bag selected. I will go here and I will move it a little bit and my color will change. Okay, now I have it in purple. Like I have it in purple, you see that? Purple right there. Now, after I have it in purple, I will apply it. Okay? Apply. Click apply, and now I have it in purple. Now I'll go to file, save as. I'll save it on my hard drive. That's my computer. And I'll save it here. I'll name it purple backpack. You can do this with any image. And because I have business edition, I'm able to save it as a PNG. Okay. And I click OK. And then it comes here. I'll save it on a 300 dpi. It is the only thing you need to change. 300 dpi. And I want it with a transparent background. Okay. And I click save. Now I have a purple bag saved. You see here? Now I have this purple backpack. Okay, let's go back. Okay, and then let me see something. Okay, now if you want to, you can delete this backpack and make another copy of the blue and bring it back here. Okay, but I'm going to go on with the same purple. Now let's say I want pink. I'm gonna drag it. And you see I got the pink right there. Like pink is here. I think this is pink. Yeah, right, like so. Yeah, I think I have the pink right there, and I'm going to apply it, and I'll do the same thing. I'll save it. Okay, let's say I'll save it like I saved the blue one, the purple one. I'll select it again, and I'll go back, and you see here somewhere here I'm finding the red. Okay, apply it, and I'll save it again just like I saved the blue one, like I did that. Let's say this is the red, and now I'll look for another color like green. If this backpack was to come in green, I can create the mock-up, apply it, and you save it just like you save the blue one, the first one. Like we do that, select it again, and then we're going to look for more colors. You see we have light blue right there, like light blue. If we wanted to have light blue, you see we have the light blue right in there. Okay, we come back to the original blue, the blue there. We scroll down, you get the purple, the pink, the red, and yeah, Yeah, the green, it comes back to green. Okay, let's say I'm going to delete this. And I'm gonna make a duplicate of this again. Let's see what other colors we can find. Let's see. I think we find the same colors. You see, we have the red. We have the red right there. Okay, we have like the rainbow colors, like the light blue. The light blue is nice. You see the light blue right there. This is like a little bit darker blue, and this is the right light blue. I'm going to take it, and then I'm going to make a copy of it. Okay, let me see if I can. I'll go to here, and then here you can have contrast. Let's see, like make it yummier. You see, make it better, like a fresher look. You see, this is like, so you see it is a little bit dull, but with the contrast you can make it like a fresher look. Okay, you see that? Let's go for the red. Let's see, click on it. Let's see, contrast. Yeah, it's red. It's getting red right here. Let's see saturation. Okay, saturation. It's up to you if you want it with that. Saturation, like so. Contrast. Like you play with it to see where you want it to be. Like how you want your color, the color of your backpack to be. And any one of them that you see that you like, you need to save them. Just like we saved the blue, the purple in the beginning. I deleted the purple. I think this is the pink. Let's see what we can do with the pink. Okay, let's see saturation. Select first. Select it. Yeah, the pink. The pink is so nice. The pink is nice. The pink is nice. I'll apply it. The pink is nice. So as up to you what color of the backpack you want. I show you this um I only show it to you so that you can know how to change colors in Silhouette Studio. I did not say this backpack comes in these colors, okay? I didn't say that. This is a back to school thing, but I didn't say that. I only show you how you can change one color into another. For instance, if this is a project you're doing with another image, how to change the colors of that image, a PNG file. I'm not saying that this backpack comes in all these colors because I don't want to be misleading. I don't want it to come over like, oh, this backpack is in red, it's in green, it's in pink. I only know it comes in blue. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show you. I hope it's valuable to you and that it can help you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.